Welcome to day 2 of the Magical Worlds book tour, and today we are going somewhere very special. We are off to the Hidden Loch, and I can't wait to tell you more about this page. It is very special to me. Today we're using the Castle Gold pencils. This is the 120 pencil tin. You can see which colours are my favourites in this set because they have been sharpened to within an inch of their lives. But this is a great set of pencils for colouring a big picture like this. I mean, look at all those colours. That is just one layer and there's 3 layers of colour in there. So this is a little bit about this page while I begin colouring the little foresty trees. Next, we'll visit the best kept secret in these enchanted realms, the Hidden Loch, the deepest lake in all the magical worlds, which also happens to be a high security underwater bank. Royal families, pirates and magpies deposit their treasures here to be guarded in the deep blue waters by Nessie, a treasure guarding water monster. So this page of the book was inspired by something that I saw whilst driving to Clymer Monroe. I happened to glance up and I saw a castle poking out through the trees on an island surrounded by forest, and it was just the most magical view. I was like, I have to create a book full of magical views just like this. And then a few months later I was with a friend and we were swimming at a loch in Aviemore, and there was another ruined castle in the middle of an island on this loch, and we were swimming towards it. I was quite far out, and as we were swimming, something brushed against my leg and it was slimy. And in that moment, I instantly knew it was a water monster and it was about to pull me under the water and I would never be seen again. Like, there was just no doubt in my mind. So I did what every good friend would do in that situation. I turned around, screamed and swam in the opposite direction and left my poor friend Caroline to fend for herself. Caroline is well used to my hysterics and my overactive imagination, so she just carried on swimming and then reluctantly turned around to check I was okay. Of course, I was fine. But it did occur to me that there probably was water monsters in these lochs, and what would they be guarding other than treasure? So here's this page full of treasure at the bottom of a very, very deep loch. With this loch, the water, I am going to colour it quite dark around all the things, if that makes sense, and then release the pressure towards the middle. Otherwise, it's a big old area just to colour flat blue, which I feel could be a bit boring to colour and a little bit boring to look at as well, to be honest. Now we're working on the gems. I'm going to use lots of different colours here. But you know what I was thinking after I finished this? This would have been a perfect place for a little bit of glitter gel pen. Or if after you've shaded in all your gems, you could grab a white gel pen and just add a few little sparkles, a few little lines, a few little hints of reflection to make it super twinkly. So now we're on to Nessie, and I did wonder for ages what colour she should be. And I've gone for coral pink. I have no idea why. I think I wanted something that wasn't green and wasn't blue because it would be too similar to the background. So coral pink seemed to work well. So here she is in all her splendour. She is guarding that treasure. Again, I'm using lots of light layers of colour and building them up. I just find that is the best way to get to a dense, vibrant shade. It's also reassuring for me. I'm not the most confident of colourists, believe it or not. So by doing lots of light layers and building them up, I feel you have a bit more control. So there we have it, our very own Nessie treasure guarding monster. I hope that's given you some ideas for how to tackle this page of Magical Worlds. And I can't wait to see how you bring all the worlds to life in your beautiful colours.